Hello everyone, I want to teach you guys how to fix the Facebook without the option for the turn on professional mode. So let's start. Now you will go to your profile, Facebook profile, and this account has no option for the professional mode. So click your profile and here on the dots you click here the three dots and see there is no option for the professional mode. So what will you do is to do the screenshot and then copy the link here, copy the link profile, and then we'll go to the settings, help and support. Click help and support, report a problem, and then click continue to report a problem. So you may read the inclusion of this report, include complete logs and diagnostic in your report. So just not include this in the report. So here select a product and you may click the profile. Click profile. There it is. And add an image, the one that you have screenshot a while ago. Recent screenshot. Okay. So paste your profile link. And you will describe here what we're going to report on Facebook. We'll indicate our requests and report. Okay, that's it. You may state there what's your request on Facebook, and you may send it to the Facebook team. It's already sent, so we'll go back to you and send a reply. So we'll wait for their reply. Okay. 7 days later. And there you go. Facebook team already turned on the professional mode on my Facebook account, that there has no option for professional mode. That's all guys for today's tips. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.